How to use parental controls in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use parental controls in Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone, and now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, simply scroll down and tap on the family center. And here, if it is your first time, then you simply have to follow the prompts to invite your teen to connect the account with yours. And here, once connected, you can see who your teen is friend with. You can view who they have recently chatted with, and you can get alerts for the new friend request. And you can also manage who can contact your teen through privacy settings. By that, you can see who can send snaps, who can view their story, and who can see their location as well. And that's it. That's how you can use Snapchat Family Center to help keep your teen safe online. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.